Good morning, kids. Today we're going to learn how to multiply a whole number by a mixed number using an area model. These are area models right here that we're going to use, just a grid basically. Let's look at the first one on top, and we're multiplying 4 times 3.5. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to shade in with a marker, and you'll be doing this later, 4 in one direction, 4 blocks in one, and 3.5 in another. Now, it doesn't matter if you use 4 across and 3.5 up, or 3.5 across and 4 up, because you understand that multiplication is commutative and the order does not matter. Example, 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. The order does not matter. So this time I'll take my highlighter and I'll shade in 4 rows across and 3.5 up. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. And then I'll shade a half all the way across so you can see that. Okay. And you're going to be shading in just like I am. And there is 4 times 3.5 right there. And just to emphasize the half, I'm going to draw a line right across here to divide that row in half across there. Now, we're going to find our product of those two numbers by just counting up whole boxes. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. But we're not finished yet, are we? We have half of one here, that's 12.5, and half here. So when you put those two halves together, you have 13. And then you have 13.5, and one more half makes what? Makes 14. So there we go. So our product for this is 14. Does that make sense? Let's try one more. Let's try this one below. I'll pull another one up here. And this is 5 times 6.5. 5 times 6.5. I'll zoom that in just a little bit closer. And I'm going to use, this time I'll go 5 across, 5 blocks across, and 6.5 up. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. So it's going to take me almost all the way to the top. And then I'll shade this entirely in. This will take just a second to do this. This is going to be my product. Whatever the value is of the area that I'm shading is our product of 5 times 6.5. Again, I'm going to kind of emphasize the halves up here. All right. Again, 5 across, 6.5 up. Let's count. This time I'm not going to use numbers. I'm just going to use this in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And there's a much quicker way to do that, right? Let's count the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's the easy part. Now, we're going to glue these two halves together. That will give us what? 31. 2 more halves together gives us 32. There's 30 in here. And what do we have left? Yeah, we have a half. So our final product is 32.5 for that one. 32.5. So that's how you find the product of a whole number multiplied by a mixed number and by using an area model. So you'll be doing that on the assignment today listed below. Good luck.